Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can easily unfollow someone in Duolingo application using your smartphone or a tablet. Unfollowing someone on Duolingo that you've previously followed is super easy. First of all, launch open your Duolingo application on your smartphone or tablets and then make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home page of Duolingo, go ahead and click on the three dots at the bottom right corner and then click on Profile. Inside your Profile section, select the following button at the top. This will bring up your following list. Every people that you followed will be listed. Now, go ahead and select the person you want to unfollow from the list. After you open up their Profile section, go ahead and tap on the following button in green and this will unfollow the contact. The button will then change back to follow, which means you've successfully unfollowed them. So that's how you can easily unfollow a contact or a person on Duolingo that you've previously followed. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.